shake it, bro.
I can't stop shaking it. Bird coming.
Hard, do it hard. Both hands.
Look, the bird.
Squeeze it, squeeze it.
I'm tired.
One more time.
That's it.
Did you get it?
What's the matter, Zach?
My arm's hurt.
From what?
Oh, it makes me wanna.
What's that noise in the background? Oh my gosh.
Birds.
Birds eating?
Birds. Whoa. You're on a pavement. Whoa. It's scared of me.
Yeah, they scared of you.
Ah.
Well, don't be mean.
That scared of bird away.
What are they doing? Why are they on the windowsill?
I'm not.
Why? Why are they there?
Ah.
Say, why are the birds there?
Ah.
Don't scare them.
You know why they're there. Why are they there? What are they coming to do?
Eat.
Eat what?
Cereal.
What? Who put that out there?
Yo.
And who?
I think.
You didn't help me put
Oh
that.
yeah, I think. And they.
Did they eat it all?
No.
Still some left?
Yeah. We were doing anymore.
Huh? Uh-oh.
What?
Did you see that bird?
Yeah, it's way away. I was scared away.
Don't scare them.
I'm gonna go.
Just be quiet so they'll come back. Be still. Just be still. Be still. They'll come. What are those things you're using? What are they?
Binoculars.
What?
Binoculars.
Binoculars?
Yeah. Yeah. How? That's good.
So, what did we do yesterday, Isaiah?
What?
What did we do yesterday?
Find some birds.
No, yesterday when you put on all your coat and boots.
Yeah, playing too.
And then what did we do?
Snowballs and snow angels and snow.
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? When?
Gotta be quiet so most will come away.
When do you want to do it again?
Right now.
Right this minute? Like just leave right now without putting your clothes on and your boots and stuff and just go do it?
I'm just going to put everything on me.
Oh, okay.
Sure. I don't have no clothes on. I like.
He's scared of you. He wants to eat, so come back here. Come back here or something, because if he sees you, he's not going to eat.